Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can schedule an email sent or message for later on Canary Mail. So let us guide you through it. Launch Canary Mail on your device and let me open an already composed email here for demonstration purposes. If you don't know how to do that, guys, you will see that compose button in the top left corner. So what you want to do is simply craft your email, enter your text here, or use the artificial intelligence to craft an email for you based on your prompt. But before you send it, guys, by clicking into this button, because that would actually send the email right now with a quick delay period of a few seconds, but you can't schedule them if you click on that arrow icon here. So before you do that, click into send later here and select or pick one of these scheduled dates later, like later today, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, or you can pick a custom date here. So let me do that and select, let's go, for example, with, I don't know, New Year's Eve. And then you can also pick a time of the day in AM, PM, 3 p.m., 00. Confirm by clicking the checkmark button, schedule the email, send, and you will see the icon change its color, which meaning that the given email has been scheduled. Now you can of course click into it and cancel the scheduling. You will see the current scheduling here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.